Welcome to Marvelous Homemaker YouTube channel. 3D hologram video with simple and easy technique. Materials needed: A4 size OHP, transparent, sheet 1. Mobile phone, OHP, transparent, sheet. Available in stationery shops. Approximate cost around Rs 5 to 10. First step. Fold the OHP sheet into half vertically. Step 2. Now fold both short edges inward by about 2 centimeters. Place the folded short edges down like a pyramid as shown in the image. Now search for hologram videos in YouTube. Step 4. Place the mobile phone between the folds and play the hologram video at maximum brightness. Step 5. Now switch off all the lights and enjoy watching the 3D hologram videos.